I bought more jewelry from MomentWish. Their products are just amazing, and I treated myself. The first thing is it comes in this beautiful box, perfect for gift giving. Everything in here is made to make you feel happy, whether you're the receiver or the giver, or whether you bought it for yourself. The main box is perfect for gift giving. You can put it inside of there like that and gift it just like that. Beautiful presentation. It comes with a sweet little bag. This is soft. It comes with this cute little bag. You can put the jewelry into this bag, or you can put the larger one in there if you want. Not quite as nice that way, but it does fit this smaller box perfectly. And then of course you tie the little bag. I guess I won't be tying mine, but that's fine because it's for myself. It's nicely embossed. I mean, it's everything about this is fantastic. But I'm gonna throw it away because I don't need it. Then you get a little card, and with it a little rag to clean your jewelry with. And then this tells you, give them a call. And if you're giving this as a gift, you can open this right up, inscribe it, I love you, you're amazing. It's a heart. You're amazing, you deserve this. That's what I say to myself. You worked hard all week, Michelle. Treat yourself. And I did. I talked myself into it. Believed in myself. I knew I could do it. Your report telling you that all the good details, so save that. And then this thing. So everything to show that it's the real deal. The surprise is there's nothing in the ring holder. There's nothing in there. You can choose to put your stuff in there if you want, if you're giving it as a gift. Let's get to the real thing. It comes in this little contraption, and you have to get it out of the contraption before you can put it in the gift box. This thing it is beautiful. The back of it is just as pretty. I don't know what it was about this that attracted me, because I'm not really one that goes for crosses. I don't have any cross jewelry. I've never actually had cross jewelry, but there's just something about this that's so lovely. It looks like it would be heavy, but it's just very light and dainty. The chain that it comes with, kind of junk. When I say chain, I mean chain. One thing I do like about the chain is that it's kind of sparkly. At the same time, it looks pretty cheap and fragile. Clasp says real silver, and it's got their little trademark MW upside down. And then the necklace can be made longer or shorter with that little thing. I'm putting it on. Let's try it. Make sure the clasp is on the side where you are handed. So if you're right-handed, you want the clasp on the right-hand side. I had to redo it. Yeah, that's about as tight as it will go on my neck. I wouldn't wear it like that. It's just demonstrating. I wish there were easier clasps for older, bigger hands, because these little clasps, I get it. They need to be dainty to look nice. They are hard to put on. Very pretty. That's at the spot to make it as long as it will go, and it's just perfect at that length. I love this. And the whole presentation makes it magnificent. These would make an amazing gift for anybody. And don't forget what I said. Treat yourself and subscribe. Treating me and you.